Welcome to the 14th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at what legal rights are, and turning human rights into legal rights. An act is a law passed by Parliament. A legal right is a right that is protected by the law. When law protects a human right, it becomes a legal right. For example, everyone has the right to go to public places such as parks, hotels and restaurants. The law changed to make it illegal for anyone to be refused entry to a public place because of their ethnicity. The protection of many of these rights has been brought together in the Equality Act. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says you have a right to a fair wage. The Minimum Wage Act made this a legal right, so all adult workers in England and Wales must be paid the minimum wage. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says everyone has a right to equal pay for equal work. The Equality Act made equal pay a legal right. Can you think of any human rights that are also legal rights in the UK? The right to an education, the right to fair conditions at work, the right to a fair trial, the right to follow a religion and the right to vote in elections. In the exam you might be asked to explain the difference between a legal right and a human right.
We go together like rama, ding 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 dong. Remember forever as you